Welcome to Top Best Picks. The VEYOFLY vacuum is probably one of the most innovative cleaning tools to hit the market. Today, we're diving deep into this incredible device, exploring its features, performance, and overall value. We'll uncover whether it lives up to the hype and if it's the right choice for your cleaning needs. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to discover the ultimate cleaning companion. Number 5. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360. This vacuum provides powerful suction for deep cleaning carpets and bare floors. It effortlessly tackles dirt and debris across different surfaces, making your cleaning tasks easier. The detachable pod allows you to clean under furniture with ease. You can also detach the nozzle to clean upholstery, furniture, stairs, and other areas above the floor. It features anti-allergen complete seal technology, working with a HEPA filter. This traps dust and allergens inside the vacuum, ensuring cleaner air in your home. With attachments like the upholstery tool, it's perfect for pet owners. The vacuum makes cleaning up pet hair a breeze, keeping your home tidy. The swivel steering allows you to maneuver easily. You can navigate tight spaces, corners, and around furniture with minimal effort. This feature allows you to switch between cleaning modes. You can go from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning instantly. It has a 0.9 quart dust cup, allowing for longer cleaning sessions. Emptying the debris is easy, and can be done in seconds. What we like? This vacuum boasts powerful suction to tackle any mess. The lift-away feature lets you easily clean under furniture and above floors. If you have pets or suffer from allergies, this vacuum's HEPA filter will trap dust and allergens, making it a great choice for a cleaner home. What people say? This beats my Dyson and my Kirby hands down. Superior suction, amazing maneuverability, lighter than either the Kirby or the Dyson. I can get underneath my bar stool so much easier now, and my entire house, approximate 2,000 square feet, is done in 20 minutes, tops. I was also super impressed by the ease with which I can switch from floor to handheld attachments. Some of these other vacuums I've used are so bulky and difficult to handle all the small attachments. Not this one. I'm able to switch back and forth from floor to handheld quick, fast, and in a hurry. Number 4. Thermacell Patio Shield Mosquito Repeller. Tired of mosquito bites? This device creates a 15-foot zone of protection, keeping those pesky insects away. It's easy to use and perfect for your patio or backyard. Get maximum protection in just 15 minutes with Thermacell. The portable design makes it ideal for various outdoor settings. It is a great alternative to bug spray. This device diffuses repellent to create a consistent 15-foot zone. The repellent won't weaken over time, and it's powered by a safe and compact fuel cartridge. Avoid DEET sprays and lotions. This product uses unscented repellent mats that last up to 4 hours. The mats change color when it's time to replace them. There is no smoke or flame. The formula is independently tested and EPA reviewed for safety and effectiveness. It's people and pet friendly, designed for outdoor use only. You can use it with confidence. Thermacell stands behind the quality of their products. If you're not happy with your purchase, you can return it for repair, replacement, or a refund. Contact them for assistance. What we like? Thermacell creates a 15-foot zone of protection, keeping mosquitoes away effectively. It repels mosquitoes without any sprays or lotions on your skin. If you enjoy spending time outdoors on your patio or in your backyard, this is a great alternative to bug sprays, offering a safe and convenient solution. What people say? Within minutes of activating the unit, I noticed a dramatic drop in mosquito activity. The 15-foot zone of protection is no exaggeration, it truly creates a bubble of comfort. The design is minimal and unobtrusive, making it easy to incorporate into any outdoor setup without it being an eyesore. Number 3. VEYOFLY Fly Catcher Starter Kit, 2 devices plus 6 refills. This innovative device uses a gentle blue-violet light to attract various flying insects. Once they are drawn in, they are trapped on a sticky adhesive card. The product is designed to be safe for use around children and pets. It effectively controls flying insects without any harmful chemicals or odors. With its sleek white and black design, it blends seamlessly into any room. The light is directed away from your eyes for comfortable use. The kit comes with multiple replaceable adhesive cards. These cards securely trap insects, keeping them out of sight and away from your living space. It operates continuously, providing round-the-clock protection. This energy-efficient device is perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, and other areas where flying insects are a nuisance. What we like. This fly trap uses a gentle blue-violet light to attract insects. It's non-toxic and safe for use around children and pets. If you're looking for a discreet and effective way to eliminate flying insects in your home, this is a perfect choice, operating quietly and continuously. What people say. This product was very easy to get going. The same day it caught at least a dozen bugs. I was surprised because even though the directions tell you that you should place it in a darker area so the light stands out more, I have this by my kitchen window and it worked perfectly. It has dramatically cut down the number of fruit flies, gnats, and other small flying insects in my kitchen and dining area. The plug-in design is convenient, setting up in seconds, and the adhesive glue cards quietly and cleanly trap the bugs. No zapping noises, no chemical sprays, and no unpleasant odors. Number 2. Katchy Duo Insect Trap, Day and Night Effective. This is a 2-in-1 insect trap. It lures bugs with a 360-degree ring light and removable pod for liquid bait. A powerful, silent fan and hidden glue board ensure they can't escape. It has 5 adjustable light and fan settings. You can customize it for your needs. There's also an automatic mode to save energy. No zapper is needed. Glue boards allow for clean and contact-free insect disposal. It includes 4 complementary glue boards, and you can purchase more. Replace them every 3 to 4 weeks. This trap is subtle and sleek. It will fit seamlessly inside your home. It's frequently used in kitchens, entryways, and offices. It's effective in killing fruit flies, gnats, and mosquitoes. However, it is not effective on house flies. It is registered with the EPA. What we like. Katchy Duo lures bugs in with a ring light and removable bait pod. It offers multiple settings to customize to your needs, including an automatic mode. If you want a sleek, effective, and easy-to-use insect trap, this is a great option, with its contact-free disposal and stylish design. What people say. Setup is simple, and the traps have been very effective for me at catching fruit flies, gnats. A big key is using the right bait and keeping it fresh. This allows me to turn it on and catch them all night. Number 1. Katchy Duo Fly Trap. Introducing the Katchy Duo, a 2-in-1 insect trap designed for continuous protection. It uses a UV light and scent pod to lure insects. A silent fan then traps them on a hidden glue board. This trap uses a 360-degree ring light and removable pod for liquid bait to attract insects. The powerful fan and hidden glue board ensure they can't escape. This design provides effective and discreet insect control. Customize the Katchy Duo with 5 adjustable light and fan settings. There's also an automatic mode that activates in the dark. This feature helps conserve energy while maximizing its effectiveness. Forget about zappers. The glue boards allow for clean and contact-free insect disposal. It comes with 4 glue boards, and you can easily purchase more. Replace them every 3 to 4 weeks for optimal results. The Katchy Duo has a subtle and sleek design. It fits seamlessly into any home environment. It's perfect for kitchens, entryways, and offices, blending in while effectively trapping insects. This trap is effective against fruit flies, gnats, and mosquitoes. It is registered with the EPA. However, it is not effective on house flies. What we like. This fly trap uses a 2-in-1 design to lure and trap insects. It features multiple settings to fit your specific needs. If you are looking for a sleek and effective insect trap, this is a great option, with its contact-free disposal and stylish design. What people say. Setup is simple, and the traps have been very effective for me at catching fruit flies, gnats. A big key is using the right bait and keeping it fresh. This allows me to turn it on and catch them all night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.